A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means गेंद. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dog, dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fish, fish means मछली. G for grapes means अंगूर. H for hen, hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. G for jug means jug. K for kite means patang. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for mango, mango means आम. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for orange, orange means Malta. P for peacock, peacock means मोर. K for queen, queen means मलका. R for rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश. S for sheep, sheep means कश्ती. T for tiger, tiger means चीता. U for umbrella, umbrella means छतरी. V for van, van means van. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for xylophones, xylophones means बाजा. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.